component switch down here, the power on switch down here, which is that. Whoa, wow. Wow, there should be a third one. It's the dust. APEM 7436A. I've just had to get a new switch because this one is failing. Gotta like really press it on and off until it makes a circuit, otherwise it's only making half a circuit and it's arcing. At the moment I have to turn on the switch here because the switch itself is unreliable because it needs to be replaced. This should just power on. There we go. If it's only getting half a power or it's arcing or something, most of the lights are only blink because there's not sufficient power going in from the mains into the DC power transformer to convert the power down to 24 volt. But I'll get this back in the rack. Dolby stereo film show must go on.